20 Abandonment Issues Affirmations. I am safe from abandonment because I have myself. People may come and go, but I am okay because I have myself. I care for and take care of myself. I am always there for me, that is all I need to thrive, and live my best life. My happiness does not depend on other people. I create my own happiness. I myself have that power. Today, I feel calm, at peace, and I am not afraid of being left because the only thing that matters is that I will never leave myself. I am calm and at peace being by myself, with myself and living for myself. I am a lovable and likable person. When people leave, it is not because of who I am. I am worthy of all the best. I deserve the best, to be cared for, loved, and treated well. I am not afraid of loss. I am strong, able, and confident. I can deal with anything. The only person I will aim to please is myself. I will live my truth, support myself, and be kind to myself. Rejection is a part of life. It is not personal and it will not kill me but will make me stronger. I am not afraid to face my feelings and tell people how I feel. I seek healthy attachments to others. I do not need a relationship to define me. I define myself. I am okay just as I am. I look forward to working on my issues and developing my feelings of self-love. My feelings are just feelings. I have the courage to deal with them. I have the courage to heal myself. My abandonment issues will not overcome me.